Hello, hello. I am starting my seeds today. I am behind. Thankfully, the weather outside hasn't been so forgiving, and I think after I get my seeds started, transplanting them, they'll be just fine. Let me show you the setup that we got going on this morning. All right, so we have these shelves that we purchased from Lowe's, I believe. Maybe Walmart, but I'm thinking Lowe's. And then these lights I got off of Amazon, and I can link them below. They were about 60 bucks for 8 of them. It was the 8-pack. Lots of really good reviews on them. So I went ahead and finally set it up today. I've got my potatoes chitting up here. And actually, and they're from the store. Some of them, where is it? Yeah, here we go. Some of them are actually, it's actually working, because I read a bunch of reviews saying that if store-bought potatoes might not actually work, but it's working for us. Anywho, so now what I'm going to do is we're going to use the soil blocker that, again, purchased off Amazon. Nobody around here had any of the supplies that I needed, so I had to order off the internet, but we have the soil blocker here. I have my dirt outside that I've got to go grab, and we're using some like greenhouse trays to go ahead and keep the moisture going. And we have an assortment of seeds, everything from cabbage to tomatoes, colorful carrot mix. Who doesn't love some color on their plate? We have cucumber, we have corn, sweet onion, all sorts of different things going on over here. And of course, catnip for Sandy.
Today we're going to be planting some indoor seeds. So what we have right here is we have some outdoor seeds, some indoor seeds, and planting containers.
Yep.
And so a lot of soil.
And a soil blocker.
Yeah. And so let's get started.
Yeah, we're starting a little bit late, but that's okay. That just means we're gonna have a smaller harvest, and this is our first time doing it, so that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect. So what we're gonna do first is we're going to open up our bag of soil, and we're gonna add some water into it just until you're able to squeeze and the soil kind of sticks together, but there isn't water squishing out and it's not too compacted, because we want it to be well aerated so that way our seeds don't suffocate.
Let's get to mix. We need to wait for mom. We need to wait for mom.
It's not recording.
Or is it? Look! Ow! Or look! Flip! Oh, wait for mom!
Okay, so far Alexis has put down abbreviations for cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, arugula, red leaf lettuce, which we're going to do more lettuce than the other one. And now she's just going to go through and do like that to the top.
Just showing
Okay.
you the words.
I'm going to
Pick it up. Pick it up.
no, we're going to put the lid on to give it a good greenhouse effect.
It's a greenhouse. It's a greenhouse. Oh,
It's because of the tape. Let me go ahead and move it. It'd be great if you'd let go. Thank y'all.
Hi. Thank you.
All right, y'all. Pardon the mess out there. I am sure I've said this a million times before, but we're getting our pole barn finished. We need to start a burn pile, and that's everything that would go into a garage besides all the boxes. But let's get back to the video. So we have finished up with, we stopped at 3 trays full I believe I have a few more seed packets to go ahead and go through as well. And I have plenty more trays to get it started. At the top, I've stored some of my supplies. I have some potatoes that are still chitting up there, and they're doing so well. Like, let me see if I can get it down here. Look at that. It's working. And I read somewhere that as long as they are golf ball size, there's no need to cut them down. So that's what I'm aiming for. Oh, so we stopped with the 3. Down here is some compost, some fruits that I need to go throw in our compost pile that has yet to be started, but it shall be started today. And then I have my dirt down here, and it's ventilating so that way it doesn't get moldy or anything. But these lights are amazing. These trays are amazing. They're holding condensation really well. And I'm excited to just kind of see what comes of it. So I think the next thing that we're gonna do is try to find a spot outside where I can go ahead and dig up a location where we can do like a raised bed or something and add some compost to it so I can amend the soil in that particular area. And then I can plant the seeds that need to be direct sowed into the earth. Hopefully this weekend. Since Andrew will be off, it'll be a lot easier because I'll have a bit more support with the kids. Until next time, I hope everyone has a wonderful day, and thank you for checking out our channel. See you next time.